buying a home in Saskatoon on a $300,000 budget, you might be surprised at the opportunities available for first-time buyers and investors. From cozy single-family homes to modern condos and townhomes, Saskatoon's market offers exceptional value at this price point. In this video, we'll explore a variety of options including older homes with character, low-maintenance condos, and family-friendly neighborhoods. If you are thinking about buying, selling, investing, or relocating in Saskatoon, send me an email. My info's in the description below. For a single family detached home in Saskatoon, you will see them range at least from about $250,000 up to $300,000 in the starting price points. Now, there are limited options for what you can buy in that price range. It might be on the west side or it might be on the east side, and if it is, it's probably a lot smaller and it probably needs some significant work. Even on the west side, it probably still needs some work at that price point for a single family home. You also might be able to find a half duplex, which is still technically a single family home. There's still no condo fees associated with a half duplex, which can also be a very nice option. Single family homes on the west side could be somewhere around 900 to 1,000 square feet in this price range. On the east side, you might be looking more like 600 to 800 square feet for a similar price point in a single family home. And those properties will have 2 to 3 bedrooms and 1 to 2 bathrooms depending on what it is and where it is, and of course what type of condition it's in. A lot of these properties might be older and a lot of them might not have a finished basement, and they also might not have a livable basement. A lot of those older character style bungalow homes will have a storage style basement with a concrete ledge style of basement. It doesn't have a full ceiling downstairs. Some do, some don't. Example of west side neighborhoods would include Mayfair or Mount Royal neighborhoods. On the east side neighborhoods, you might find homes in this price range would consider Sutherland, College Park, or Exhibition. If you're looking at condos and townhomes between $200,000 and $300,000, this is a really great price point where you can still find a good quality product. A lot of this stuff does move very quickly, but it is a lot more likely that you can find something very good in this price range on the east side or on the west side of Saskatoon. The size of condo, whether it's apartment or townhouse, will vary from one to the next. You will, towards the upper end of this price bracket, closer to $300,000, you will sometimes find townhomes with an attached garage style. A lot of the townhomes in this price range will not have a garage included, but a lot of them do have a 2-story feature with a finished basement included as well. When you're looking at apartment style condos, 200 to 250, there are a lot of really great options where you're seeing newer properties within 5 to 10 years old with underground parking and elevator. And the closer that you get to $300,000 in an apartment style condo, the more value that you start to see in what's offered in these apartments. Neighborhoods that you will find condos and townhomes in Saskatoon will include Blairmore, Kensington, Lakewood, and Rosewood. If you are looking at investment properties, you need to watch very, very closely, because if you're looking to buy a property that you can add some renovations to and then refinance it and rent it out, or if you're looking to fix it up and flip it for a profit, you will sometimes find properties between $200,000 and $300,000 that have more square footage in a little bit of a nicer area, but they are in significant need of repairs. For example, maybe it has a structural compromised foundation, maybe it's been burnt and it's been in a fire, maybe it's got mold, maybe it has a variety of different issues and it's not currently in habitable living condition, which is what I call the investor only special. The reason why I say you've got to watch really closely for these is one of two things will happen. Either one, they'll be priced too high and they'll sit on the market for quite some time, in which case you might need to write a lower offer, and you might be surprised at what the seller is willing to accept, considering the fact that nobody else is writing offers on this property. And in this particular case, because it's not habitable, you're probably going to need to write a cash offer on the property because you can't put a mortgage on a property that is not able to be lived in. And then the flip side of what will sometimes happen is that these properties come on the market right away and you need to snatch it before somebody else does, or it could even be a competing offer scenario. So you got to come in with cash, no conditions, as quick, as soon as possible, and as strong as possible to make sure that you secure that investment opportunity. For new builds in this price range, you might be a little bit limited for what there are for options. However, as new construction apartment condos come up for sale, there should be options in this price range between $200,000 and $300,000 as things continue to roll over. I will say that it is a seller's market in Saskatoon overall, but most specifically in this price range, single family homes that have any decent quality will almost always be competing offer scenarios in this price range. Condos and townhomes are not as quickly to move. Townhouses definitely do move a lot faster than apartment condos in this price range. Apartment condos between $200,000 and $250,000 will still move very quickly. Between $250,000 and $300,000 for apartment condos, you definitely do have a little bit more leverage as a buyer when you're out there shopping. I hope you found some value. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are thinking of a move in Saskatoon, send me an email. My info's in the description below, and I will see you on this video next. Have a fantastic day.